Before the ships arrived, before the borders were drawn, Africa knew a different kind of leadership. It was a leadership woven into the fabric of community, not imposed from above. Imagine a land where kings and dictators were not the norm, but the exception. This was the reality for many African societies. Power was not a prize to be seized, but a responsibility to be shared. Elders, revered for their wisdom and experience, guided their people with a gentle hand. Consensus, not command, was the guiding principle. Consider the Igbo people of what is now Nigeria. Their system, often described as acephalous, meaning headless, thrived without a centralized authority. Instead, decisions emerged from intricate networks of councils, representing families, lineages, and age groups. Further south, the Zulu nation had its own sophisticated system, with the king's power balanced by a council of advisors. In the Great Lakes region, the Buganda kingdom flourished under a system where the Kabaka, or king, ruled in consultation with a hierarchy of chiefs and councils. The arrival of European powers shattered these ancient systems. Colonialism, with its thirst for control and resources, could not comprehend, let alone tolerate, Africa's decentralized forms of governance. Thus began a brutal imposition of foreign models. Traditional leaders were sidelined, replaced by warrant chiefs, puppets appointed by the colonial regime. These individuals, often lacking legitimacy within their communities, were tasked with enforcing the will of their European masters. This marked the beginning of a dangerous trend, the elevation of the strongman as the archetype of African leadership. Beyond the single savior reclaiming collective leadership, the post-colonial era has, in many ways, perpetuated this colonial legacy. The big man syndrome, with its cult of personality and concentration of power, has become a tragic cliché. Corruption flourishes, accountability withers, and development stagnates. It is time to challenge the myth of the single savior. Africa's future lies not in the hands of strongmen, but in the collective wisdom and agency of its people. The continent needs leaders who empower, not dominate, who listen, not dictate. Returning to the source, Africa's future rooted in its past. Can Africa find its way back to its roots? Can the principles of consensus, community, and shared responsibility be revived in the 21st century? The answer, I believe, lies in embracing our own history, not erasing it. We must look to the past, not with nostalgia, but with a critical eye, seeking inspiration and guidance from the wisdom of our ancestors. The future of Africa depends on our ability to reclaim our heritage of shared power and collective responsibility.